Do you want to see us install this brand new cabinet? Well, watch this full video to watch how we take an old cabinet off and put this new one on. All right, got the new cabinet in the back of the truck. Got the old one here on the foundation. Got to start taking some stuff off to get it torn apart. Got some new cable coming in. This cabinet's ready to be pushed over and knocked off the foundation. Time to put the new one in. Cabinet's off the foundation. All we gotta do is back the truck up, get this one closer, take it out the back of the truck, put it on that foundation. All right, out with the old cabinet, new one's on the foundation. Let's get it wired in. All right, she's all running, working like she could. Pretty cut and dry. We'll go ahead and start dressing this up. I'll show y'all what it looks like after. All right, intersection's up and running, looking good. Cabinet's all dressed up. Wish I could have done better with these cables here. Well, that's existing, and I don't have any more slack on that. My cables are looking good, dressed up. And there we go, brand new cabinet.